Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best vlogging camera you can buy Amazon. A vlogging camera is a camera that has the capability to shoot high-quality video, usually in 1080p. Vlogging is a form of video blogging that typically features short clips of the person's life or travels. It could be used for personal reasons, as a business, or any other purpose. Vlogs are usually recorded with a vlogging camera and uploaded to YouTube or other video sharing websites. The camera is the most important piece of equipment that you need to have in order to start a vlog. It's the one thing that is always with you, and it's integral to your vlogging success. A good camera can help you make your vlog more professional, and it will also help you capture more authentic moments. The best camera for vlogging should be light and portable, with a wide-angle lens and a high-quality lens. It should also have an LCD screen to make video editing easier. You want to keep your audience engaged, and you want them to be able to relate with the content that you are producing. You need a camera that can capture all the different angles, sounds, and styles of your vlogging life. Many people ask me why I use a camera. I always say that it is because my videos are about me and I want to show who I am to the world. It is also because I want to capture the memories of my life and share them with others. I do a lot of vlogs on YouTube, so having a good camera is important for me. But not just any camera will do, you need one that can help you create quality content for your audience. A good camera should be able to take great photos in low light conditions, have a nice wide-angle lens, and be easy to use with features like filters and zoom. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research on new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix. Make your videos more exciting with the touch-enabled 3-inch 180-degree flip front display, and the 20.3-megapixel Lumix CMOS image sensor ensures you'll be able to shoot in any conditions, indoors and outdoors, low light and no light. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you share your clips live for instant feedback. For the first time, a professional camera for vlogs is available at a price anyone can afford. The Lumix 20.3-megapixel camera features 4K video recording, 60 FPS continuous shooting, in-camera image stabilization and Wi-Fi connectivity. The 180-degree flip front display allows for easy live streaming from anywhere at any time. The powerful Lumix camera captures all the sights, scenes and emotions of your travels. This pocket-sized camera does it all in photos and videos, with vivid colors and details, just the way you remember them. The camera's control ring provides smooth manual control of the aperture, shutter speed, zoom and focus. It can easily be customized to handle your favorite settings. Number 4. Canon EOS. Canon is bringing you the new EOS M50 mirrorless vlogging camera kit. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, this camera provides the perfect blend of advanced features for high-quality photos and videos. The 20.4 effective megapixel CMOS sensor and Digicade image processor enable sharp, vivid, and natural-looking images with rich color tones. Move beyond a video camera. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless vlogging camera kit is perfect for vloggers and photography enthusiasts. Craft an unforgettable video with the Digicade image processor and f/15 to 45mm lens at your side. The perfect camera for people who like to take pictures and share their experiences for family and friends. Capture your life in stunning full HD and 4K video with high-quality audio and perfect autofocus. Shoot from the hip with this lightweight, compact camera kit that fits comfortably in your hand. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, the Digicade image processor and brilliant interchangeable lens options, the EOS M50 camera delivers incredible color, clear details and stunning dynamic range. Improved dual-pixel CMOS AF features a wide AF area, advanced subject tracking and eye detection AF. Number 3. Canon PowerShot. It's time to take your vlogging game to the next level. Go behind the scenes and show your friends and family what it's like being an average day in your life. Share your latest adventure with friends and make new memories with Canon. The PowerShot digital camera 20.0 understands the perfect moment in every scenario. Be sure to get a Canon camera for all of life's little moments. What kind of a camera needs a selfie stick? This one, that's what. Not only can you take your favorite memories with you and share them with the world, but you can also shoot in stunning 1080p HD video. The Canon PowerShot digital camera 20.0 megapixel sensor captures a lot of detail, perfect for vlogging and sharing memories in HD videos. It features a 3.0-inch LCD screen that allows you to see what you're recording in detail. The PowerShot digital camera 20.0 megapixel sensor is a compact unit that's easy to take with you wherever you go. Corrects for a wide range of camera movement when shooting stills. Effective for video shooting at wide-angle focal lengths, eliminating the unwanted shaking that typically occurs while walking. Built-in Wi-Fi technology allows for on-the-go convenience when you want to share your photos and videos with friends and family. Easily post your images to social networking and media sites, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Flickr, and Google Drive. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix FZ300. It's time to start making some serious money from your videos. You'll have the best viewfinder on the market with a large LCD screen and 4K video capabilities. Panasonic's Lumix FZ300 is a disruptive camera that will give you more profits with every sale. Panasonic's Lumix FZ300 long zoom digital camera is our best vlogging camera to date. With the 12.1 MP sensor and 2.3-inch sensor paired with a high-speed 4K video, Wi-Fi, and splash and dust-proof body, you'll be able to capture amazing footage for your next vlog. Vlogging is all about discovering your favorite moments through your camera, not just capturing them. Let's face it, some of the most memorable moments are the ones you didn't know were happening when you were filming. That's why it's always worth it to pack a pro-level camera with features like 4K video and Wi-Fi. Anyone looking for a vlogging camera. Featuring a 2.3-inch MOS sensor and 20x zoom with a wide-angle lens, this camera takes amazing quality video for YouTube, Instagram and more. Panasonic's exclusive 4K photo technology uses 30 frames per second and high-resolution 4K Ultra HD video to extract them as photos. You'll never miss that moment again. Number 1. Panasonic 4K Ultra. The best way to start your vlogging journey. Panasonic's 4K vlogging camera packs a punch with 20x optical zoom, the 2.3-inch BSI sensor, and a built-in Wi-Fi feature to capture high-quality video in multi-scene. Get the first look of a new home, explore the world with ease, and share that moment on Instagram to make your friends jealous. Find out why so many people are getting into videography with the Panasonic 4K Ultra HD video camera Camcorder 20x optical zoom. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, this camera is perfect for capturing amazing memories. It comes with top-quality 4K and Full HD video features and is compatible with most smart devices for easy sharing. It adds in camera editing solutions such as cropping, panning, zooming and subject tracking stabilization that can enable anyone to capture and produce content without the need for complex software. An innovative HDR mode captures clear shots with excellent detail in both bright and dark areas. The Wi-Fi functions make the camcorder competent in a variety of tasks. Remote shooting and view via the Panasonic smartphone app, picture-in-picture style video recording with your smartphone as a sub-camera. For those without a 4K display option,